Okay, lesson 10-3. This is all going to be a lesson on using the calculator. So if you do not have a calculator, you need to stop the video and go get one. So I am on whatever page this is, page 167. And we are going to enter this in the calculator, and we're going to have the calculator do what's called a quadratic regression. Can you do what we did the other day using the matrices to give you an equation? Yes, but this is a little bit different because the quadratics that we were doing in that last lesson, in this lesson right here, the quadratics had to pass through those specific points. And they lined up and they made a perfect quadratic. These right here are not going to necessarily make a perfect quadratic. So we're going to get a quadratic that most closely fits this set of data. So that's why it's a little bit different. Okay, so you need your calculator. You need to, if you didn't already do this, you probably want to go to the home button, open a new document. It'll say, do you want to save anything? You say no. And now we're going to open a list and spreadsheets page. So we're basically just going to enter all of those numbers that we just saw in these two lists. But these lists will not be useful if you do not label them. They must be labeled. So what am I going to label them? I'm going to go back over here and I'm going to look and see what they labeled them. This is time in seconds, and this is height in meters. So you can use S for seconds and M for meters. That would be probably the easiest one to do. So I'm going to go back here. I'm going to label this one S for seconds. I'm going to label this one M for meters. And then I'm just going to go through here in this first row, and I'm going to do 0. You press enter. 1, 2, 3. I'm not going to walk you all the way through this. You can do this. I think it goes all the way to 9. And you get those in there. Guess what you do next? You go over here, go back up, and you enter those same points right here. So these are the points that we're going to enter. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and stop my video and get myself set up while you finish entering those points on here. Okay, we'll pick up here in a minute in the next video. Okay, so enter the rest of those points and meet me back here in just a minute.